Hey guys, check out my new bright mid-90s Camaro. And it says 1/16 scale. It looks more like 1/18 scale, but you know, they had a different measurement process back in the day, I guess. Also, different companies use different scales. So anyway, it's a Camaro Z28. And we're gonna take this out of the box here. And this one's been opened before. I think it was put on display, but it looks like the car was never taken out of the styrofoam, because I've kind of opened it already. So what I want to do is open it up for you guys after I show you the bottom of this box. All right, there's the bottom. New bright, made in 1995. Look at that. That's pretty cool. So let's take it out. And yeah, I already opened it, and it looked like this car was never taken out. And I broke the styrofoam in here. See this? I broke it off by accident when I was pulling it out. So I want to show this to you guys. Oh man, I love 90s stuff. I think it's making a comeback, I think. Anyways, here's the instruction manual for this Camaro RC car. So it looks like it takes 6 AA batteries for this, for the car, and then the transmitter takes a 9-volt. Alright, so that's pretty cool. So here is the car. And yeah, it looks like it's never been opened ever. That is awesome. Probably gonna need a screwdriver to take it out. So let me get that. Alright, I have returned. And got my screwdriver. So hopefully this opens it up. It's really cool. Yeah, you can see it's got the factory tape still on here. It's really discolored. See that? That's vintage tape from the 90s, guys. If I could ask you questions, I would ask, how was it back in the 90s? You know what? I was alive back then. I don't need to ask. So here is the antenna. Let's take this off so I can take off the car. Oh, it tore in half. Look at that tape. It's so vintage. It's on top of the box. So now the antenna's out, and there's tape on my finger. Let's take this out. Yeah, it's still screwed here. So let's unscrew it. Yeah, it's still a little on there, so let's keep drilling at it. There we go. That's really thick. Oh my gosh. Back in the day, they didn't care too much about saving our resources, I guess. The Earth's limited resources. This car is really nice. Look at that. Hold on. Before I talk about the car, I want to take everything out. Here's the antenna, which I'm going to take out now. Once I get the tape off. Oh my gosh. Tape. Look at that. It just tore. Alright, there we go. This will be for the transmitter. And again, this is made by New Bright. There we go. It's frequency 49.86 megahertz frequency. So the antenna goes in here, obviously. Get it nice in there. Very cool. And there's nothing else in the styrofoam, so I'm going to discard that. So here is the car. It's pretty sleek. I like this. It's not, whoops, that just came off. But I don't see too many RC cars that depicts the, you know, the 90s Camaro. Camaros are usually depicted in 60s, 70s form, or the more recent form, like Bumblebee. This is pretty cool to see. Again, Camaro Z28. Let's see what's on the bottom here. Doesn't really say anything. Here's the wheel alignment. Tires are actually rubber, but I love the rims. I got a special project lined up for it. Let me do some measurements for you guys. So you can see how long it is. It's really not, it's pretty small, to be honest. I'm disappointed, but it said 1/16 scale. I thought it'd be a little bit bigger than this. Alright, so the wheelbase is about 6 inches. The width of the car, it's really fast. It's a little less than 4.5 inches for the width. The total length of the car, it's about 11 inches, so pretty small. And maybe I can test drive it for you guys really quick. All right, let's test this thing out. Wheels turn. Really small car, oh my gosh. Let's see how well it drives. Now these batteries aren't fresh. I've used it quite a few times. It's really fast though. I bet you this thing would drift on a smooth pavement. On carpet it's a bit harder. Woo! I love those wheels. Look at those wheels. I like how it says Goodyear on the rubber tires. And yeah, the tires are rubber, but they're really slick though. That's why I think they could slide on a smooth surface. That's awesome, guys. It says Castrol GTX on the back here. Whew. All right, guys. So just want to show you that. Very cool stuff. I'm very pleased with this RC car. Hopefully I can use it for my other RC project. Boom, New Bright. Good job.